Hello everyone, my name is V. Welcome back. 1 second, I am checking my mic. Okay, my microphone is plugged in, so we are ready to go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V, and today we are doing a single eyeshadow look on hooded eyes using the Berries by JUVIA'S Place, and we are on day 4. And the first 2 were mattes, and now we're the second 2 are shimmers. So today is day 4, and I am doing a shimmer. This one right here. That's the one we're doing today. Sure they are even or close to it. This one looks like it has more, so I have to add more over here. Base is on. I have my eyes like this because if I close it, I'm going to get a crease. So I have to keep it open like this. And we start with number 4. Let me show you number 4 again. Mirror. I look so funny with my eyes like this. These are all the things you gotta do to keep it together. Okay. This color looks like it has the shift just like the one the day before. Number 3 also had a shift. I didn't talk about that. But number 4 also have a shift. Looks like a dual chrome. I am laying them down and then I will fix it. My microphone is picking up the speaker from the laptop. Hopefully it doesn't come through when I edit. I am not sure why. I moved it so I can get it, so I can hear myself, because in some of the last videos I noticed it's very low, and then where I put it, it's picking up the speaker for the laptop. So I hope when I edit it will be fine. If not, I gotta find another place to put it. This is day 4 of our single eyeshadow look. This color is gorgeous. I'm liking this one very much. I mean, I like all of them, but some I love more than others because they just call my name. This is amazing. This is why it was my number 2 in my top 5 for 2020 palettes. That's why the Berries was number 2, because I love it. Right? comment along. I did half of my face already, so we don't have to have a long video. Sometimes these videos go for half an hour, 45 minutes. So I edit a lot. I chop off a lot of what I'm doing because I don't want it to be too long. Okay, now I use a brush so we can fix it. This color and the shift in this color is magnificent. These palettes are so inexpensive from JUVIA'S place. This is not sponsored. I am just talking about the palettes that I have. It is so beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, let us fix. Now we're blending the edges, making sure we are good to go and looking a little presentable. I am not the best blender. I just try to get it as good as I can. Blending is not my forte. Okay, we're looking okay over here. Okay, we are doing blush together and we will be almost finished. I am using the Saharan Blush Volume 1. I'm going to take this color. Lipstick, brown liner, brown lipstick, my lipstick is by Black Radiance. Now we put earrings on. I'm going to spray my face. Hair stays like this. Natural is the cut section, relax is this section right there. We are good to go. And this is today's simple one color everyday eyeshadow look. I am doing this eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. It is day 4 of the JUVIA'S Place Berries, and I'm using one color every day, and there are 6 colors in the pan. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. My lipstick is by Black Radiance. I'm not sure if I said that before, but I'm saying it again. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Join my YouTube family. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell, then hit all, and whatever I post, YouTube will let you know. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self, and I will see you in another